to see what I can offer, and I figured that this is the time for me to shine and give my informational service and let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning and give them the direction that I feel that things are moving. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just we want to be right more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite Trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
But they want to hit a base hit, they hit a base hit or a home run. Sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we're just wanting to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know.
What's up, everybody? Good morning, and welcome to another edition of Elite Trading Pre-Market Prep, going over what stocks are moving in the pre-market, taking a look at our trade ideas, seeing what we see in the future for some stocks that are coming out, some movements for some certain stocks. So we will show you what we see, and let's get to it right now. Let's check out these charts. We had MMAT on the radar for the last few months, and the reasoning behind this was because they had a deal that came through. You could own some preferred stock, and then after that it just completely was just hammered all the way down, and we've been taking a little piece at a time, and this morning it finally got that 20% bump that we've been looking for, and I'll be looking to exit out of some of the position, but I'll probably hang on to a piece because I like the long-term story here. If they can start getting the fundamentals to match the stock price then and get some income coming in, then we could see something on MMAT. So right now they are above the they're above 81 cents this morning, 19%, a little above a 19%, and they closed at 413. You're hitting that probably some firm resistance here at this $5 range, but it's hanging in there. So you've got a long base here for consolidation. I mean, a long one. So you're getting this nice spike. Possibly 550 could be a mark, or even 750 or in that range. But I'm watching for 550 and just seeing what it does, if it can break through that pre-market high. If not, I'll be looking to take some gains from MMAT today. Ford was moving and your most active. Had some clean support there at the 1250, 1240 range. And then it came, I mean, this was your time to buy right here when it came down. Gave you another chance, and then came back up here, and then it came back, tested, didn't come back for that low, and now you're breaking out. So possibly a chance to get in here and it gets you to that $14 range again. Stop loss below here at the 1275-ish. GSAT, pulling that one up from the pre-market and in the chat there. Definitely looking at that one. Dead cat bounce. That thing is flying. It hit over the 261 now. And I want to pull it up on my other. Yeah, you're up $1.15, 81%. Wow. Wow is all I can say. Wow is all I can say. And then what else did you pop in there, Chase? Let's see. You said BBIG and ATER. BBIG might be a rally to sell, as Triple D was explaining. So watch for that $10 resistance. If it gets back up there and gives you another chance, possibly you go for that short position if you're looking to do that. But it's hard to trade these ones. These are just, if you're not already in it, it's a hard one for me to call out. I like looking at things like, that's not the right one. Halliburton. Halle Berry, no. This is HAL. It's one that I like on the long term. Been trading this one for a long time. I like to see it come break out of this mode here. It's like right where we need to know if this is the turning point and we keep coming to the upside. If not, this might be another rally to sell to bring down to that 19 range. And then old BAC 42.53. 1, 2, 3, 4 chances up there before. This is the 5th try, maybe that gets through finally. Lots of resistance in that 42, 53, 43 range. So careful here. Need to break through and get out of that range that it could never get through over here. So we're trying at it again. Let's see how it goes. A lot of these charts are looking a lot like they're all trying to come back to these previous points that they broke down from, previous resistance points. You know how many tweets I get a day from different people? It says AMC to the moon, and it drives me crazy. But, you know, to each is their own. So I want to pull up and tell you about the markets and see what's really moving this morning. We've got GSAT on there. We showed you BBIG, ATER, which was mismentioned, Affirm, AFRM, SPRT, killing it. Brought to you by the group. Chase Gordon, BlackRock Trading, killed it on that trade. SPRT, he called it out way early. Root, ROOT, KPLT, MMAT up 20%. DSPG Group, DSPG is up 17%, and you have VALN up 16%. Top losers, ASTR down 20%, FENC down 13%, EFTR down 11%. So these are some. GAMB, gambling.com, down 9%. TRTN, Triton Internet, down 8.98%. Sava's down 8.91%. Sava was a runner that everyone was watching. Let's pull up Baba. Could this be your chance to buy Baba? I am worried about buying anything over in China stocks. I mean, anything that's based out of China, just so hard to commit to this. But as a trade, could I see someone trying to get a stop or get in here if it tries to pull back to that 159 like it did, and then they have the double bounce right there, 159 to the dot. They're taking it up. It didn't give you a quick bounce. It gave you a 50-cent bounce. So I would have liked to see it move better off this line, but man, this could be a good time to get in and get out of this one. Maybe looking for a 3 to 4 point move. Stop yourself out right at that 158 set. I'd say 158.50, and that could be a trade there. NCTY, never heard of that one. Let's see, NCTY. Yeah, I like it. That looks good. You got your out right here at 11. So I mean, it doesn't look good, but it looks good for if you were in this one already. Depends on when you got, how long you've been in, or if you're looking to trade it. Let me know what you're trying to do with this one, BlackRock. Or are you just saying this one's on your radar that's moving? NCTY. You've got your stop right here, 14.10. You got 90 cents to the downside. You've got 15.69. So possibly trade here, but it looks like it's not a good enough setup for me. So it's 3.30. So really, you're only getting about $1 for the way we trade, $1.50. So I mean, you got a minimal trade here. I mean, could get you $1. I mean, why not? Where are they at in the pre-market on this one, NCTY? Let's see what it looks like. $14.99 is your chilling area right now. 14 to 16, you know, it's gets a little pullback, jump in. I don't know. Let's see if it catches you some support and makes a good trade here. I'm gonna be watching this one with you. I would have liked this trade on a to the downside right here. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm out on that one. How's your cryptos doing? I'll just leave it on all. BTC taking a little bit of a dip. We got a 3-day weekend coming up, so usually they like to run. Maybe we'll get a nice pullback here before the 3-day weekend. Remember, we're no trading on Monday, so we've got 5 days of trading this week and then a 3-day weekend. Maybe you get a pullback right in here to that 47.3, and then a nice bounce back up to this 48.250. So we'll see how that goes. ETH. Futures contracts. 31.8375. Support right here at 31.32. Resistance, I mean, they're just keeping it in a tight range right now, giving you a chance to get in at these consolidation levels. You know, 1, 2, 3. Looks like a good setup. Mara. Yeah, I can't take a piece of that. I'm out. That one. But it's 9:15 almost, and you know, we went through a few things. Hit that like, smash it, hit that follow button if you're on YouTube, or subscribe. Share this stuff. Get into the Discord. Help support the team, and you know, learn with us, grow, and share your own opinions and get your ideas heard. Let's see what you've got.